In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. If you've ever needed to move a docx file into Google's ecosystem so you can edit, collaborate, and access it anywhere, this walkthrough is for you. All you need is a web browser, an internet connection, and your Google account. First, open your browser and go to drivegoogle.com. If you aren't already signed in, enter your Google account credentials, and make sure you are in the account where you want the file to live. Once you see your drive, you are ready to bring the Word file into it. Next, upload the file, look to the top left corner, and click the New button. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer that holds your Word document. Select Docs or Doc file, and confirm. You'll see an upload status indicator in the bottom right of Drive. Wait until it shows that the upload is complete before moving on. Larger files or slower connections may take a moment, so give it a bit of time. After the upload finishes, locate the file in your Drive. Double-click it to open. It will appear first in a preview window, which lets you quickly view the contents without making changes. At the top of this preview, click Open with Google Docs. This action opens the file in the full Google Docs editor, where you can work with it just like any native Google Doc. Now save it as a true Google Doc. In the Docs window, go to the File menu and select Save as Google Docs. Google will create a new version of the document in the Google Docs format, placed in the same Drive folder. Your original Word file stays intact, so you'll have both versions available. You can recognize the Google Docs version by the blue document icon and by the doc format when viewing file details. From here, you can edit, comment, and collaborate in real time. Everything saves automatically and you can access the file from any device by returning to Google Drive. That's all there is to it. Open Drive and sign in. Upload your Word file, open it with Google Docs, then save it as a Google Doc. If this was helpful, consider sharing it with someone who could use a quick conversion guide. Thanks for watching.